What on? Remember, so we say fuck the intro? Yeah, man. Squash, Kman6ixx, Paranoid. Let's go. So, AI video. Look like.
Them pray we fish up free squash, man.
So it's a part AI. So a part AI. So squash part look like a AI. Kman6ixx, obviously, in their road.
Them pray we fish up free squash, man. Down on the way to the top, can't stop, man. They in the place so I said I can Billy me split for bust the cock, you know. Nobody wants to catch it though. Yeah. Deal with all my problems there.
Yo, the AI look funny as fuck. But this song about 6 fans over there. Comment section active now, man.
Them pray we fish up free squash, man. Down on the way to the top, can't stop, man. They in the place so I said I can Billy me split for bust the cock, you know.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to catch it though.
Yo, I worry about dead body in my running, you know.
Billy me split for bust the cock, you know. Nobody wants.
Watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see in this shot. And there's probably somebody on the sofa behind him. Yo.
Catch it though, yeah. Deal with all my problems there. Every darkness, I breathe the darts for girlfriend. So girl, me cheer for one them. Really? You know be here like one time. Believe me. I show me tough, man, no leg on no side. Believe me.
Bad. Pile up music, pick up.
Them pray we fish up free squash, man.
Okay, man, big up.
Down on the way to the top, can't stop, man. They in the place so I said I can
Yeah.
Billy me split for bust the cock, you know.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to catch it though. Yeah. Deal with all my problems there. Every darkness, I breathe the darts for girlfriend. So girl, me cheer for one them. Really? You know be here like one time. Believe me. I show me tough, man, no leg on no side. Believe me. Promise me, woman, say she a gonna live like.
Yeah.
Dream this.
Free squash. Okay, man, what going on?
But got thing me no talk about. The brothers so we got talk up. Yeah, we head full of paranoid thoughts. See, we'll leap a thing.
So the part of AI too. Cause the cheer him that when him respond, we can't see it neither. So AI the part of too.
The brothers so we got talk up. Yeah, we head full of paranoid thoughts. See, we'll leap a thing me do and my mommy just can't go. See, we'll leap a them wish for we gone home. Finna money them can't get my one soul. I just time them pussy ways unfold. No, them not gonna like me cause them pussy can't control it. I just time dog every month.
Yeah, man. You see more time when some people don't like you because them can't control you. Them can't control what you think and what you do. Them can't program you.
Unfold, no, them not gonna like me cause them pussy can't control it. I just time dog, every mass unfold. Watch every
Man, say I just time dog, every mass unfold, brother. Time is the mass.
Pussy can't control it. I just time dog, every mass unfold. Watch every motherfucker, yeah, my daddy told me.
Yeah,
just
man.
there by myself, I am a rat alone. So we pray forget which and all my jewelry frozen. Really? You know be here like one time. Believe me. I show me tough, man, no leg on no side. Believe me.
Free squash. Soon the road to jail.
Yeah, me lift me hands and know my tax God.
Yeah.
Me renaissance and my kick on me gather. Me not take nothing for joke, so me not laugh. The pussy them a pray for my father.
Yeah.
Man get why the fuck them upset? Greatness and success, hard wood me must bless. Street smart no subject, hold my one at the deck. Militant the 100, Wall Street not done set.
I'm feeling with no fret, if it is a gun dead. My thing not take light, make 100 man step. See me pretty the bigger picture, me no lose my life yet. Me no stop until me see say I win, yeah. So me hold on to this. Consistent, yeah, me born for way. And it no matter which lawn we in, must win till God call me name.
Really? You have to be like one time. Believe me. I told me tough, me no let go no sign. Believe me. Promise me when me say she a gonna live fine. Dream this.
Big up Squash, man. Free Squash. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Wall 60, big up on yourself. Yeah, J-Lance film, big up. AI bad. Afraid of AI, you fuck. Yeah? Salky, big up yourself, Salky Records. Yeah. What do you think what I want to do? A Squash, so right now, we just have to go and cycle for the AI them until the G forward back a road. Soon the G, soon the road, man, before you know it, man. Yeah, man, it's G there before you know it, man. Believe. It's bad though. Not surprised of the collab between them two, Yaka. You don't know, say Kman6ixx right through. Yeah, literally says 6 right through. So, yeah. Big up Kman6ixx, bro. Big up Kman6ixx. Big up Squash, man. You see me? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, though. And I'll catch you guys down there, man. Not wasting time. Peace.